Hello everyone and welcome to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to bold text in Notion, and it's pretty simple. So go to your Notion app, and in your private section, go to the page where you need to bold the text, and in here double click on the text or highlight the text. And whenever you highlight the text, you will see this kind of some options, and here you can see this option which is bold, or in here you can also see a short key which is Control B. So either you can choose this manual way, simply tap on this, click on these options, or either you can choose these short key options Control and B. So simply tap on this option. So as you can see, our text is bold. And if you need to go back your previous text from, simply do the same process again, highlight the text and click on this bold option again. And that's it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video find you helpful. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any confusion. And don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more tips and tricks.